Inside Folio, open exchanges and hit connect your first exchange. Folio asks for three things: a label, an API key, and an API secret. Let's grab the key and secret from Binance. In Binance, first make sure your account is verified. You can't create a key without it. Go to Settings, then Account, and open API Management. Click Create API, choose System Generated, and hit Next. Give the key a label and confirm with your passkey. Set one up first if you don't have it yet. Now, the important part. Binance keeps reading and futures under one switch, so click Edit Restrictions and tick just two boxes: Enable Reading and Enable Futures. Leave everything else off, especially withdrawals. Then save. Copy your API key and secret now. Binance won't show them in full again once you leave this page. Keep them somewhere safe, like a password manager. I'm leaving IP access unrestricted so Folio can sync from its own servers. Just know an unrestricted key is removed after about a month of inactivity, so keep it in use. Back in Folio, paste them in, add a label, and connect. Run the sync, and your closed trades land in the journal. But imported trades are just data. A row of numbers means nothing until you make it honest. Why did you take it? Write the note. Tag your strategy. Double-check the leverage. A sync can only approximate it. And ask the real question. Did you actually follow your plan? That's where a journal stops being a spreadsheet and starts making you better. Connect Binance in 60 seconds. Folio exists to make traders profitable. Let's get you there.